Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you a food order web application with admin role, the chef login and the rider login. Let's take example. I will order this and click on this proceed to checkout. And now you can able to see here that is my cart and there is a promo code. I can simply apply the promo codes here. This is my promo code. I just copy this and paste it here and click on this. Okay, and click on this apply. So when I click on this apply, as of now, you can able to see here my promo code is applied successfully. So welcome back to our another video. In today's video I am going to show you a complete food order web application with a track order feature as well. So everything you can manage directly from your admin panel or directly from your Google Sheet, because this web application is created completely by using the Google Sheet as a database and Google web app script. Okay, so this is my cart. I will make my cart empty here, and that is my home page which are seen to your customers. That is the page that your customer will see directly whenever they open the link. Okay, so that is our combo deals where we can create multiple signature menu items, our menu items to one deal. So if for example, let's take example, if someone want a deal for their family, if they come to your restaurant, you can create multiple deals with different items. And I want to order this deal, I just simply click on this add combo, and what I will get in this deal you can easily able to see here. This is my signature menu, and here I also have a feature of you can see here the filter of the particular categories in my menu. And if I click on this add to cart, now in this particular item, if I need any extra add-on like extra spicy, extra cheese, I can do. You can add unlimited add-ons here. How you can do that? You can directly do it from your admin panel, and I will explain you everything step by step. Don't worry about it. Okay, I just want these two things and click on this add to cart. And if I click on this add to cart, it's directly go to the cart because it does not support any add-on feature. I just simply click on this proceed to checkout. Now when I click on this proceed to checkout, as of now you can able to see here that is my all the items available in my store, available in my menu list. And if I want to add dessert, I forget earlier, I can directly add it from here. Okay, so in this way you can see I can add or delete items from here as well. Now this is a an other promo code. I just simply add the promo code here and click on this apply. So when I click on this apply, as of now you can able to see here the flat 200 euro is discounted. And this web application have an option you can change your currency as per your country. Don't worry about it. And later on you need to enter your demo credentials here. I just enter my demo details, and that is the demo at the rate gmail.com. Okay, and that is the delivery or pickup. I want the pickup, the cash method, and click on this place order. So when I click on this place order, as of now you can able to see here combo item plain hopper is only available daily 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. So that is the extra feature what we have added. What is that feature? Some of the combo deals is only available for the particular time. Okay, so how you can enable or disable, I can also show you. I just remove that and click on this place order. So when I click on this place order, as of now you can able to see here my order is going to be placed, and now this is my receipt, and that is my order ID. I just simply copy this particular order ID, and that is print receipt feature. I can simply print the thermal print of my order, so you can easily able to see them. And if I want to track my order, I can simply come to here, enter my order ID and click on this track. So when I click on this track, as of now you can able to see here my order right now is in the pending status. Okay, I just go back to the home, and if you forget to the go to the track order section, you can directly see here there is a track order feature as well. So this is a customer flow, what a regular customer come to you, and how this will behavior website will do with your customer, and how you they can order. So that is very simple. Now let's go to the admin panel. First we will visit the admin panel. So I am login as an admin panel here. Now you can easily able to see here this is our flash new UI for our web application, and that is my dashboard overview where I can take the total revenue, the 2 days order, and everything. And now let's go to the menu section. In the menu section what you can do, and in the menu section you can create. For that I need to open this particular web app. Okay, that is our menu. So I have opened a web application here as well. Now you can easily able to see here, that is the front end, and that is my items. I can easily enable, disable, or everything. I do it from here. That is the schedule I already told to you. Some particular items you can only set that this will be available from this particular time to this particular time for the orders. Okay, you understand them. And you see, here's we have a crispy samosa, and when we click on this add to cart, there is two add-ons. How you can add more add-ons? For that, what we need to do, we just simply come it here, and when I come it here, as of now you can able to see it, that is add extra. I just need to select my item here. That is my item, and for example that is the demo extra, and that is the extra price is 45, and the status is active, and click on this save. So when I click on this save, as of now you can able to see here extra added out successfully, and I just simply click on this refresh my web application. So when I refresh my web application, as of now you can easily able to see here, when I click on this add to cart, the demo extra is added out successfully. So in this way you can create unlimited extras for your particular items, and you can schedule them, and that is this stock. Let's take example, this is a particular item, I don't know this name, but that is available in the stock 15 items. So whenever sold, they will automatically reduce from here. And if you want to disable this item from the public view, you can simply turn this off. And now this is our order section, where we have a Kanban board or the table view as well. So whatever you prefer, you can simply enable them. And that is my order right now. I have made the 3 minutes ago. Okay, and I want to confirm this order. So when I confirm this order, now you can easily able to see here my order is going to be confirmed successfully. Okay, order is going to be successful because this is a, now in this scenario you will see one thing, focus on this, focus clearly on this. I already told to you, this web application come with admin, chef, and the rider and the customer. So leave it the customer for now, just focus on three roles. That is, we have the cash pickup. Okay, that is, we have the cash pickup right now, and that is the delivery. Okay, here it is the pickup and it is the delivery. So if the delivery, we can assign the riders. What are the riders? These are the two riders available right now, and one is inactive, two is active. So you can easily able to see here two riders in the drop down list. I just select one rider and click on this assign rider. So this particular order will be assigned to this particular rider. Understand? You understand them. So rider is assigned out successfully, but here's the option is not, because here's the customer will pick it automatically by ourselves. Okay, so now I don't need to make it start preparing. I just simply copy this order ID and come it here, and now you can easily able to see here, this is a track order. I just paste my order ID and click on this track. So when I click on this track, as of now you can able to see here, that is my order progress, and that is in the confirmed status right now. Now this is the complete order details here. This is the thing, if a admin will do everything what the chef and other will do. So for that, don't worry, I just simply copy this chef ID and just go here and go back to the home and click on this staff and paste it here the username and paste it here the password and click on this login. So when I click on this login, as of now you can able to see here, that is my chef dashboard. In the chef dashboard, this can also able to see the menu item. So you can see that is the menu and that is the orders. So when he go to the order section, you can see this is the order right now we have confirmed. Now if this particular chef is free, they can start preparing, otherwise the other chef will start preparing. I just simply click on this start preparing, and now it's updating. So when I click on this updating, as of now you can able to see here the order is going to be updated. And if we go back to the admin panel, and here's we just go to the order section again. Now you can, because it will automatically refresh in 10 seconds, so that's why I just instantly login refresh. So you can able to see here the order is in the is in the preparing status. Let's take example. I will make it mark ready from the kitchen side. The chef is marked that order is ready. You can deliver them. So you can easily able to see here. Now the order is in the ready status. I just simply click on this delivered. So it means the order is going to be in delivered category. Okay, so that is the thing what we need to do it here. Okay, so order is going to be delivered out successfully. That is our order. Okay, and this is the thing. And again you can see we have assigned data, so you understand them. Now this is a thing, new order. So when you click on this new order, as of now you can able to see here, this is a customer information. You can select the customers from the drop down as well. And how you can check them? You can simply add the user. The user is your customers here right now. Okay, you understand them. And you just simply need it here, any kind of email ID if you want to add them. And that is the delivery, pickup, dine in, and everything. You can do it here, address. If you make it dine in, that is the options will cover out. Okay, so this is the admin. Remember, this is the admin will create the order. I just want these particular items and just simply click on this place order. Okay, so when I click on this, my order is created out successfully. So you can see order is created out successfully. And now here's the three order items. Okay, and I want to make it confirm as well. And here's you can see all the notifications of my system. And if you click mark are read, you can simply mark them. Okay, understand them. And that is our promo codes, where you can add, edit, update, or delete the promo codes. And you can create the promo codes as per your own need. This is the save 50, and that is inactive. You can activate again, simply make is this on. And that is our combos. What is our combos? In our combo you can create a multiple deals. Let's take example. I will make a combo. That is the combo B55. Okay, that is the combo name is Ramesh. Okay, that is our combo name is Ramesh. Combo price is 5600. Description is that one. Image URL, if you want to add, you can simply add them. Otherwise you can simply add the items here directly. And how much quantity you want to give them, you can simply add it here. Okay, you understand them. And that is your original price and the combo and the save percent, and click on this save. So when you click on this save, as of now you can able to see here your combo is created out successfully. So when you see your combo is created out successfully, I just log out from my system and refresh my web application. And when I refresh my web application, as of now you can easily able to see here, that is here's the signature menu. And now the combo is loaded here. So that is my combo which we have right now created it here. Okay, so you can easily able to see here, that is my daily summary, where I can easily able to see my total orders today and the total revenue, average order value, and everything, and the cards. And I can also check the system from the previous date as well. That is my report section, where I can easily view them, all the reports of my system. So you can easily able to see here total orders is this. And I can also apply the filters here directly as well. And that is my users, where I can add, edit, delete, or update the users, or add the customers. So you can see these are to the customers right now. Okay, you understand. And that is my activity log. So when I click on this activity logs, I can able to see what actions I have done in my system. So you can see chef 1 status ready, status preparing, and everything. And that is my account section. In that you can update the currency overall the system. So I make it Indian rupee, and I just simply click on this save currency. And now whenever I go to the any page, the currency will be updated to that particular new Indian currency status. Okay, so that is now you can able to see here, that is about app section. What are the features in this available? Secure login, manage users, role based access, menu management, order management, Kanban board, kitchen display, delivery panel, dashboard stats, activity log. So we have forget the delivery panel. I just simply go it here and copy this particular rider one. And just go to my staff and enter my username and password, and click on this login. So when I click on this login, as of now you can able to see here I am logging to my rider panel as well. So it's login successfully. And that is my order status, where I can easily able to see my all the orders. And that is my, you can see the notification panel, where I can see the notification. And I can simply call the customer and just simply click on this picked up. So it means that order is delivered out successfully, and I just picked up from the restaurant, and everything you can do it from here. So this is your rider panel. You pick up the order from the restaurant, and now you are on the route, and once you deliver the item to that particular customer, you can mark it to the delivered. So it means that order is delivered out successfully. Now if any other orders available to you assigned by the admin to you, you can simply view it from here and deliver them and picked up from the restaurant and deliver. So thank you very much, take care, we will meet you in our next video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and share with the students who are learning right now these things, so this will help them.